Everyone says your English is weak, but here's the truth. It's not your English. It's your confidence. Imagine this. You're in a class, your heart is racing. You want to speak, but your voice shakes. People laugh. You stay quiet. You think, I'm bad at English. Stop. That's a lie. Your English is not weak. Your confidence is weak. Every fluent speaker you admire, they were afraid to. They made mistakes. They stumbled. They failed. But they spoke anyway. Tip 1. Speak one sentence at a time. Say it out loud. Even if it's wrong, speak anyway. Tip 2. Embrace mistakes. Mistakes are proof you're trying. Every mistake equals step forward. Tip 3. Copy the confident. Mimic someone who speaks well. Repeat their tone. Feel their confidence. Tip 1. Keep words simple. Fancy words, forget them. Start with start. Help, do it. Simple works. Tip 2. One sentence daily. One sentence. Every day. 365 sentences. By next year. Confident speaker. Tip 3. Speak like you mean it. Confidence is not loudness. It's belief in your words. Here's the truth. No one cares about your mistakes. No one remembers your hesitation. They notice courage. They notice action. So stop blaming English. Start speaking. Start today. Your confidence, your future, your life is waiting. Your English is not weak. Your confidence is. Fix it. Speak. Win.